Welcome back, fellow tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be delving into an important topic, cryptojacking. Cryptojacking is a rising cyber threat that targets our devices for cryptocurrency mining without our knowledge. We'll explore what cryptojacking is, how it works, and most importantly, how to protect ourselves. So, let's dive in. 1. Understanding cryptojacking. To begin, let's understand what cryptojacking is. Cryptojacking is the unauthorized use of someone's computer or device to mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Monero. It's a form of cybercrime that has gained prominence in recent years due to the popularity and value of cryptocurrencies. Hackers employ various methods to carry out cryptojacking. The most common method is through malicious software that infects your computer when you visit compromised websites or click on infected links. Once infected, your device becomes a part of a larger network of mining machines, known as a botnet. 2. How cryptojacking works. Cryptojacking works by utilizing your device's processing power to mine cryptocurrencies. Mining requires complex calculations that validate transactions on the blockchain network, and it demands significant computational resources. By harnessing multiple devices in a botnet, hackers can significantly amplify their mining capabilities without incurring the associated costs. The problem arises when the mining process consumes excessive processing power, resulting in slow device performance, overheating, and increased energy consumption. You might notice your device becoming sluggish or the cooling fans working overtime, indicating a potential cryptojacking incident. The risks of cryptojacking go beyond the inconvenience of a sluggish device. It can lead to decreased battery life, hardware damage, and increased electricity bills. Moreover, it compromises your privacy and security, as the malware granting access to the hacker can potentially steal personal information. For protecting against cryptojacking. Now that we understand the risks, let's focus on how to protect ourselves from cryptojacking attacks. Here are a few essential measures. 1. Keep your software up to date. Regularly update your operating system, web browsers, and security software. Updates often include patches to fix vulnerabilities that hackers exploit. 2. Use robust security software. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to detect and remove cryptojacking malware. 3. Be cautious of suspicious links and downloads. Avoid clicking on unknown links or downloading files from untrusted sources, as they can contain malware. 4. Employ browser extensions. Consider using browser extensions that block cryptocurrency mining scripts. Popular extensions like NoCoin and MinerBlock can help protect your device. 5. Monitor CPU usage. Keep an eye on your device's CPU usage through task managers or resource monitoring tools. Unusually high CPU usage can indicate cryptojacking activity. 6. Educate yourself and your team. Stay informed about the latest threats and educate your family members or colleagues about the risks of cryptojacking, if you suspect that your device may be affected by cryptojacking. It's crucial to take immediate action. Here are a few steps you can follow. 1. Disconnect from the internet. Unplugging your device from the network can help contain the cryptojacking activity and prevent further damage. 2. Run a full scan. Use your antivirus software to perform a thorough scan of your system, ensuring that any cryptojacking malware is detected and removed. 3. Update passwords. Change the passwords for your online accounts, especially those that involve financial transactions. This step helps prevent unauthorized access and potential theft of your personal information. 4. Consult a professional. If you're unsure about the extent of the infection or need assistance in removing the malware, reach out to a cybersecurity professional who can provide expert guidance. We've covered the basics of cryptojacking, how it works, signs to watch out for, and steps to protect yourself. By implementing these preventive measures and staying informed, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to cryptojacking. 5. It's crucial to remember that cryptojacking is just one of the many cybersecurity threats we face today. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, hackers are constantly devising new methods to exploit vulnerabilities. That's why it's essential to stay proactive and adopt a layered approach to security. 6. Along with protecting your devices from cryptojacking, make sure you follow other best practices such as using strong and unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious while sharing personal information online. 7. Additionally, if you run a business or manage a network of devices, it's vital to educate your employees or team members about cryptojacking and cybersecurity in general. Regular training sessions and awareness programs can go a long way in creating a security-conscious culture. 8. Lastly, if you have any doubts or questions about cryptojacking or any other cybersecurity topic, don't hesitate to reach out to experts in the field. They can provide guidance and help you navigate through potential threats. 9. Remember, protecting your devices and personal information is an ongoing process. Stay proactive, stay informed, and stay secure. 10. That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it helpful and that you now have a better understanding of cryptojacking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. 11. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on cybersecurity, tech tips, and the latest digital trends. Until next time, stay safe and keep your devices protected. Take care.